Hello friends, welcome to my channel USA Stock Market Technicals, and today we are going to discuss about Microsoft. Thank you so much for appreciating my video on Netflix and Apple. I hope I can do the same thing again for you guys, and I'm so happy that you guys made some profit on those stocks. Let's now mark the levels of support and resistance. So the first level which we're going to mark for Microsoft is the resistance level. This is the first resistance level, this is the second resistance level, and now we're trying to mark the support zones or the demand zones. This is one more area which is going to act as the support. So let's move ahead. Yeah, this area used to act as a resistance, as you can see, and now it is acting as a support. Let's move ahead. This is one area, this is one area, yes. So as you can see over here, this was acting as a resistance, again as a resistance, then it started acting as a support since the resistance was broken. So if we know the levels, we can buy at this level with a small stop loss, a few points below this, and then our risk and reward is tremendous. So it can go up till this area, okay? And again, it's going to retest all these levels. So it's very important to mark them beforehand, so that it gives you a very good idea what's going on in your favorite stock, and then you can earn some money eventually. Now we were looking at the daily chart, now we'll look at the weekly chart, find a few more levels. I'm marking all the levels I can get for the future, because market can give you very nice chances sometimes to buy things cheap which are very good in a constant uptrend. So Microsoft is one of those stocks which is worth accumulating at every dip, but instead of accumulating it blindly, we can mark the levels, and that will help us a lot in every way. So let's do that. No, I don't think so. This is the level. Yeah, let me just mark it here. Yeah, this is one of the good levels. Let's go to the monthly chart. Yeah, I'm not saying it's going to become 41 anytime soon, but I'm just marking the level so that you guys have no problems deciding about things, how things are happening and stuff. So I have marked all the levels on weekly, monthly, and daily. So we have got the support and resistance levels right in front of us. So we can, yeah, this is one more level which can act as a resistance, and here it is acting as a support. So this is the resistance zone according to me. This area, this area, this area. So right now, like it had taken good support at 200, then it bounced back $23 up, and it is going to face resistance over here because it has done that in the past, and history keeps repeating itself. So these are the important levels of Microsoft. Now let's try to find the Fibonacci retracement. Okay, now I'm going to take a low point within 6 months. Let's take this one, this point, and we're going to mark it. This is the high which I'm going to mark, but I'm going to extend it so that things become easy for you guys. Okay, now like I have marked it. Yeah, I marked it over here. So these are the Fibonacci levels. It has retraced from the highs almost 50%. Okay, almost 50% it is retraced from the high at this level. This is the level, and it can go down to 61%. That is around 190, 191. Okay, but right now it's going above this again. So if it breaks this level of 223, sorry, 232, then it can go higher. So we have to wait for this level to be broken and sustain it at least for 2 days, and then we can start buying here with a very small stop loss of, like, $2 to $3, and then it can go up and give us some profit because this is constantly in a uptrend. But it can also do one thing, that can remain in a range, like you can see the 50% retracement level of Fibonacci comes exactly at a support level, you know and this resistance level also comes near the 23% retracement. uh, so these are coinciding with the Fibonacci levels, which is very nice, and it will give us a good idea. So we are trying to find the demand and supply zones by the way of 2 3 methods, and it's going to help us out. Now let me use my favorite moving averages. I'm using the pink moving average, which is the 8-day moving average. So it stays near the Microsoft stock. Okay, this has gone too far, so it will come and touch it again. So this is not a buy zone because this is at the resistance first of all, and now it has gone too far away from the 8-day moving average. Sorry. Now let's check the 13-day moving average. Yeah, again the same thing. So all the small moving averages, like the 8, 13, and 20 act as good support area, and the stock usually bounces from them. Now let's see where it's taking more support. It's again taking support at the 50-day moving average. This was the March crash, okay, and it had broken all the moving averages, including the 100 and the 200, which is the red one, and the black one is 100-day moving average, and orange one is 50-day moving average. So it had broken all the moving averages, and this was an amazing buying opportunity. It tried to make a double bottom over there at the level of 135, and it has almost increased by $100 since then. So um, it was in a nice uptrend unless and until it started again breaking the 100-day moving average over here at 200 level. Then it again started breaking it. It had broken the 200-day moving average, sorry, the 100-day moving average, and it took support at the 200 level. So it had broken the 100-day moving average, that is the black line, twice in the past few months, and it is taking support at the 200 price. Okay, so one more support level which can act as a huge support level is the 187 level or the 200-day moving average. So that will be a great, awesome buying opportunity if we get that. With a small stop loss of 185, 187, we can try to do some buying over here. I wouldn't recommend buying over here. You can wait for it to come down, or, like, if people take short trades or something, then they can take short at the resistance. But since Microsoft is such a uptrending stock which has no weakness and no computer works without the Microsoft, I won't recommend or I won't suggest any short selling in Microsoft at the moment. So it can be only for swing trading or short duration or intraday, but it's a beautiful stock to accumulate at the right prices, and these are the right prices suggested over here. So you can do your own research and consult your financial advisor regarding this, so that he can advise you on your investment in trading, because trading is risky, and I'm not a research analyst, like certified financial advisor who can advise you and make you do your investing. Please do your own investing. And thank you so much for coming to my channel, watching this video, spending time here. If you have any other stocks which you want to discuss on my channel, you can just write, I subscribe to your channel after subscribing it, and ask me the name of the stock. I can try to do the technical analysis of the stock and come up with the support and resistance levels of that stock so that you don't have any problem and whether it's worth investing in it or not. So thank you so much, and I'm so grateful to you, and thanks for your support. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like my analysis. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.